All right, let's cut to the chase. You want to make $100 a day online, you've got zero experience, and you want to start right now. Perfect, because I'm about to break down 5 totally legit, actionable ways to make that cash. Without fluff, no secret courses, no guru nonsense. Just real stuff I wish I knew when I started. First up, number 1. Freelance gigs on Upwork or Fiverr. Seriously, you don't need some crazy skill. Think data entry, basic graphic design with Canva, even writing product descriptions. Set up a clean profile, pitch yourself honestly, and undersell to oversell. Your first client is always the hardest. But once you get one review, doors start opening fast. Number 2, print on demand. Sites like Redbubble and Teespring let you upload designs, quotes, memes, you name it. And whenever someone orders a shirt or mug, you get paid. Here's the trick. Use trending topics. Spend 20 minutes on TikTok. Spot a funny phrase, slap it on a t-shirt in Canva, and upload. Boom, passive income. Third one, tutoring or teaching online. Didn't A school? No worries. You can tutor English on platforms like Cambly or Preply, even if English is your first language. Or teach guitar, chess, anything you know a little more about than the average person. People pay for what you take for granted. Set your rates low at first, get reviews, then raise your price. Number 4, flipping digital products. Digital planners, Notion templates, resume layouts, these are hot. Create something simple in Canva or Google Docs, list it on Etsy, and watch the sales trickle in. If you don't want to make your own, buy resell rights products and flip those. You don't need to be a designer, just be resourceful. And finally, number 5, microtasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. This is pure hustle mode. You're doing small jobs, surveys, categorizing images, quick research. It's not glamorous, but it's fast, and you can stack these tasks while watching Netflix. Add up enough, and you'll hit that $100 mark before you know it. Here's the thing, none of these will make you rich overnight. But with consistency, smart tweaks, and a bit of hustle, you can absolutely make your first $100 a day online, even if you start with zero skills. Don't overthink it. Pick one, give it a solid 2 weeks, and focus on actually improving. There's no secret sauce. What matters is action. Alright, if you found this useful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more practical tips, and let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Now get out there and start building that online income. Your future self will thank you.